storage almost full. Running out of storage can feel like hitting a brick wall. What if I told you there is a way to easily manage scalable storage for your cloud applications? No more panic, no more limits. AWS EBS volumes might just be your new best friend. Welcome back, everyone. If you are managing infrastructure on AWS, you have probably come across something called as EBS volumes. But what exactly are they and why are they so essential for your applications? In today's video, I will break down everything you need to know about Elastic Block Store or EBS. EBS or Elastic Block Store is a scalable block storage device offered by AWS. It is designed for use with EC2 instances, and it provides a persistent storage. It means that data stays even if you stop or terminate your EC2 instance. EBS is kind of a network drive. Think of EBS volumes like virtual hard drives that is attached to your EC2 instances. EBS comes with different types of volumes, and choosing the right one depends on your workload. Here are the main types: general purpose SSD volumes, provisioned IOPS SSD volumes, throughput optimized HDD, and cold HDD volumes. Let's see general purpose SSD volumes. This is the most commonly used volume, and it is offering a balance between the performance and the cost. Now comes the provisioned IOPS SSD volumes. For workloads which requires high input-output operations per seconds like databases, we use provisioned IOPS SSD volumes. Throughput optimized HDD. It is great for large sequential workloads like big data, and cold HDD volumes would be ideal for infrequent access of data where the data which has to be accessed is less frequent, as it is the most cost effective but it has a lower performance. I am into my management console and I have created my virtual machine. Now I will, into the left hand side, I will go to volumes and I will create another volume so that I can attach to my EC2 instance. So the volume type would be general purpose SSD, which we have seen. I'll choose the size as 2 GB and IOPS would be 3000, and I'll keep the remaining things as it is, and it's in US East 1A. So volumes are basically bound to the availability zones. So if the volume is created in AZ1, US East 1, it will we can attach to the instances in the availability zone US East 1A. So I will go and now create volume. So the first one, which is the 8 GB, this has been created when we have created our instance, and the another one, the 2 GB, we have created right. Our 2 GB volume is now created. Now we will attach our newly created volume to our EC2 instance. I have selected the newly created volume and I'll go to actions and I will attach my volume. See, now we are in US East 1A. Now if I'll refresh, my EC2 instance should come. See, this is my EC2 instance which I have created some time back. So I can select this and I can give my SSD anything, or by default we can give anything, and we will now attach volume. Now we go to our EC2 instance which is running and we will go to storage. Now it should show 2 volumes. This is the default one and this is the volume which we have created and attached to our EC2 instance. So that's how we can attach a newly created volume to our EC2 instance. One of the coolest features of EBS is the ability to take snapshots. These snapshots are point-in-time backups of your volumes, which are stored in S3. So if you ever need to store your data or migrate it, snapshots makes it easy. Now I will tell you how we can take the snapshot of the volumes. First we have to click the volume and actions and then create snapshot. Now I have to give the snapshot description. So I'll give snapshot 9th October 24 and create snapshots. So snapshots are basically incremental copies of data. So if I'll go and take the snapshot after 1 month of the volume, only unique blocks of EBS volume data that have changed. So whatever the changes has been made, only that data would be copied. The snapshot of that data would be taken. Only the new and modified blocks from the last snapshots are taken, so it is called as incremental copy of data. Snapshots contains all the information needed to restore your data starting from the moments it is created. And snapshots are basically chained together, due to which we will be able to properly restore the volumes when needed. So we'll go and see if the snapshot has been correctly done or not. So we'll go to snapshots and see the snapshot status is completed. So we have got the snapshot of our volume. Snapshots are used to enable disaster recovery, migrate data across regions and accounts, and it improve backup compliances. I hope you liked my video on AWS EBS. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.